Okay guys, so if you decide to buy the Swiffer 360 Duster extendable handle 112 count starter, comes in a nice little box like this, very nice. Open it up. Okay, inside you can see that you have your Swiffer extender Duster heavy duty, one handle, 12 dusters. I tried it already. It gives you the clear instructions on top. How you gotta fluff it, attach it, extend it. What can you clean? Basically everywhere. I tried it today, and it was very good. This is the wand basically. It extends pretty good. And also, once you attach this part right here, where your duster will go, you have a little button. It opens up like this, locks it in wherever you want to go. This goes 360. Okay, very nice. Press this button down here, brings it down. So it comes with 12 of these. Take it out. Make sure you fluff it all up. And if you see right here, this is where you'll slide these two little things in, just like that. And you slide it all the way down until it stops. And then you fluff it all up. You gotta sit here and make it look good, make it fluff up. But it works very good. You gotta fluff it real good. And once you fluff it all up, bring it all down. Okay, just like that. And you'll fluff it. But let me tell you something. I have a lot of pollen in the house right now, and it picked it up very good. Like it a lot so far. And I also went up to like the ceiling. I have like hoses, so this went all the way up to the top. It was very good. My wife is happy with it too. So this is a very good thing. Just make sure you fluff it real good, how fluffy you want it, and you'll be all set. Awesome. This I really recommend, especially if you have a lot of pollen and a lot of stuff like that. Recommend it. It's very good. And also it comes with a lot of refills, and also you can buy them too. So it's up to you. I'm putting it back in because I just dust the whole house. I was going to show you how it looks dusting, but I don't think I have to do that. I guarantee you, you will love it. Well, that's it. Take care, guys.